Yeah.
Okay. Well, I got my baby on my shirt. Little
Yeah.
Yeah. So he was witness. Like that lady, she was supposed to take that off of me, the first nurse. Like I said, I didn't get her name, but God got her name. They were supposed to they're not supposed to leave this on my body. Okay. And then this one, I mean, I felt something wasn't right. I even made a video in Spanish. You know, if my Spanish is good in a video, that means someone pissed me off. Because normally I just speak in Spanglish. But anyway, and then this what I had. And then, you know what they did? They put the pad under me. And I was like, I don't have any underwear. So then she gave me underwear. The stuff that's coming out. Then I was told, like, if I start my menstrual period, that, you know, if they come like a huge black ball of a blood clot, to not worry, because that's going to be normal. Because remember before I said like I had these huge blood clots coming out, and I was worried. But anyway, yeah. Sometimes when people think you alone, you're not really alone. So if they want to do some maldición, they gotta be careful, especially who they doing it to. Like I said, I didn't get the first nurse name who I felt like something from her. But like I said, even when she handed my paperwork, this is how I look when I was there. September 19, 2025, at the surgical center. This is how I look. So how I go from Miss Dunson to after they do my surgery, now I'm something else. I don't play that. I don't do that. So I got my stuff documented a lot of stuff, and it is what it is. So it is what it is. That's why you gotta do right by people. You doing things in the dark, thinking it's not gonna come out, but it's gonna come out. Because Latonian has integrity. People don't like what she say when they did something to her. You know what I mean? And she got receipts. That's why they changing her information behind her back, but she still got receipts. Only a dummy and a fool gonna do that. Got receipts, 24/7 receipts.
Okay.
So yeah, they're supposed to take that off. No way a patient gonna leave that. They don't.
He said like sometimes we can stay like 5 days.
Figure what?
Hmm?
Maybe it's come off in the shower when I take a shower.
But he said like someone like they just leave it for 5 days. He said that for retraso de he. I don't know what he said he. Maybe it's for you. Retraso, like that come out.
Yeah, but whatever's coming out, I was told not to take a shower for 1 day. So that's why I'm not touch anything. Like even when it was hurt, I'm not even taking any pills. You know what I do? I just drink my water and I drink my food. And like if I feel something, some maldición or some gente like they want to do something like hechizoso on me, like they want to do something bad to me. Like I feel like because that's what it is. I have the paperwork and I have the proof. Yeah, like they trying to, but in the name of God, no. So they shouldn't have done it. They should have came correct and been correct from beginning to the end. Because I have the paperwork, how they started and then how it ended. And then the last name I heard when that first nurse wheeled me in, I overheard them saying Jack, and I'm nobody's fool. That's why I video view from the top, and I made my comment. I'm not a fool. So if I have to, when you're a peaceful person, you stay to yourself, people be trying you because they see someone else do something to you and they think they can do it. They think that person who's doing bad stuff to you is getting away with it, but it's just accumulating upon them. Did you know that in the religion of Islam, it is stated that on the day of judgment, God will bring forth those who were wronged, had so much injustice done to them. And it will be those people on that day for retribution, all the wrong done to them. If any one of them says to the one that did harm to them, I do not forgive them, on the day of judgment, their sins will not be free. It doesn't matter how good they was doing after the bad thing. If that person they had did injustice to on the day of recompense, on the day of judgment, does not forgive that person, Allah will not forgive them. You gotta be careful. Mm-hmm. So it is what it is. I didn't get her name, but God got it. So it is what it is. And handing me that paperwork, I don't do that. She, her, Latonian. And that goes for anybody in the atmosphere. So even when I was walking about, it goes for anybody. Don't be a fool and watching people do stuff to me and thinking, hey, it's cool, let me do that to her too. No. Save yourself. And anyway,